Hi, Jay from Downing and Nelson Company. We are working here in Doylestown, power washing this pool deck. You can see the solid line on the right hand side where we've cleaned, and left hand side is the dirty area. I wanted to just go over a process with you real quick, because pool deck cleaning is something that, well, people often try to do themselves or they hire somebody. You do it yourself, you're normally using a wand like here, and a lot of people who are hired to do power washing also use the same thing. The difference, though, you can see is we're using this big surface cleaner. This cleans evenly. It doesn't leave any streaks. But we also do another step, and that is we put this concrete soap down. That soap breaks up the mold, mildew, and algae, all the dirt and things from the trees and all in the air. It breaks it up, and it makes it much easier for this surface cleaner to work. Just another step that kind of sets us apart from our competition and really leaves a nice clean surface for you and your family. I'm going to show you how it works real quick. I'll come back over here and grab the surface cleaner. Our power washer is way out in the street. This is our line coming in from where it's parked, but I'll show you the difference in cleaning. See, it leaves a nice clean streak there. We'll go back and forth twice on all this concrete. We've already done the concrete down here, and that's drying quite nicely. It's going to look nice and dry, or nice and clean when it's all dry. But yeah, this is going to look great when it's done. Sometimes when we're doing concrete cleaning, we do have to do 2 additional soaps later on. That's all just part of the cleaning process, just to make sure it's as clean as possible. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and give us a call or send us an email anytime. All right, bye-bye.